Sceptre 24-inch ultra-thin ultra-slim 1080p 75Hz LED monitor HDMI VGA, metal black, E248W-1920R. Metallic ultra-slim design. OS compatibility Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, macOS High Sierra, macOS Sierra, OS XL Capitan. Ultra-slim profile contemporary sleek metal design slim bezel with thin chassis metal brushed back cover. Dynamic contrast ratio, 5001. 3.5mm mini jack audio out. Dimensions without stand, inch, WXHXD, 21.45x 12.52 x 1.24. With stand, inch, WXHXD, 21.45x 15.67 x 6.57. HDMI and VGA up to 75Hz refresh rate. Brightness, 230 candelas M2, colors, 16.7M, 6-bit Hi-FRC. Blue light shift reduce your monitor's blue light to protect you from eye fatigue, irritation and strains. This enables you to work on your documents, watch movies, or play games more comfortably for extended periods. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.